Let me show you two different ways how to hard reset your Huawei Watch Fit 5 and also Fit 5 Pro edition. So first, you can actually do it from the watch itself. So see, if you swipe down, click on the settings icon, go in the system and updates, reset. So see, you can click here and to wipe everything and return to the factory state. However, if you have it connected to the iPhone, there is extra steps that you have to do. Otherwise, if you actually try to connect it again to the same phone, it will give you all kinds of problems. And also you can actually reset this watch through app as well. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you go in the app here, click on the devices, click on your Huawei Watch here. As you see, you have the restore factory settings option here. So you can click here and everything will get lost. So yep, maybe let's do it. Okay, so you see it even says this step extra. Okay, let's click OK. But yeah, so you see, so it's being reset now through here. Also, yeah, what you have to do is you have to go in your Bluetooth settings. Click and hold, Bluetooth settings, and you have to also remove it from here. Click this and forget this device. That will completely remove it and also reset it from your phone. If you actually do not do this step, the next time if you actually try to connect to the same phone, you won't be able to connect. It will give you all kinds of problems. So you'll be wondering what's going on. So again, do not forget to do that as well. And then you see, yeah, we can start using it as a new watch. Okay, good luck.